Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, alright, HEDGE4.ai. Today we're talking about how to claim your airdrops. So for the next 7 days we're gonna give away 4,000 coins, 4,000 HEDGE tokens to everybody, alright, whoever registers in our website. So I'll show you how to do it. First, go to HEDGE4.ai. Okay, HEDGE4, this is the page, the main page, and remember, go to this button, airdrop options. Okay, click on these and you register for the airdrop. After that, you log in for it. So just have a look, how does it look. Boom, you go in here. After you log in, you will see your balance here. Have a look. HEDJ, I have 1,225,000 tokens. All right, you will have 4,000, and we will give you more. Remember, we give away to the MLM, like multi-level marketers. Okay, the leaders, MLM leaders, which are giving away their referral link. Okay, so grab your referral link, promote our token, you will get more free tokens. So for now it doesn't cost you anything. Anyone who subscribes here gets 4,000 free tokens, and if you register more people with your referral link, you will get extra tokens. Okay, so remember, HEDGE4.ai, go in here, register, and not just that, I'll ask you kindly to go on Telegram and register there and talk to us. Okay, join us on Telegram. Okay, it's t.me/hedge4, so you will see it as of HEDGE4 official. Okay, and not just that, please subscribe to our HEDGE4.ai, to our YouTube channel. All right, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. All right, give us a good review. Thank you very much for your attention and have a profitable day.